I drive a 2018 Honda Civic, and a few days ago, my dash suddenly lit up with a bunch of warnings. Brake system problem, hill start assist problem, and brake hold system problem. Here's what I did, what it could mean, and what you should do if this happens to you. I was driving normally when the warnings appeared. The brake still felt fine, no change in stopping power. Since I was near home, I drove straight back and checked it there. If this happens to you on the road, pull over safely first before doing anything else. All the warnings were amber, but there was also a small red exclamation mark on the dash. Amber means check soon, not an emergency. The red exclamation mark just highlights that it's a brake-related issue, not that your brakes have failed. When I got home, I turned the engine off and restarted the car. The warnings disappeared. If they don't go away after restarting, bring the car to a shop immediately. I also checked a few things. Brake fluid level. Brake pedal felt firm after a few pumps with the engine off. A short test drive showed normal braking. These lights can sometimes be caused by low battery voltage or a sensor glitch. Since the warnings cleared, I'm monitoring it for now and will bring it to Honda for a scan. Even if the lights are gone, the system might have stored an error code. So if your dash lights up like this, stay calm. Pull over, check how the brakes feel, restart the car, and inspect the basics. If the lights stay on, get it checked right away. I'll post an update once I find out what caused mine. So subscribe if you want to follow the story.